This is Purnima Devi, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science Engineering. So in that last class, I have discussed about what is inheritance and what are all the types of inheritance with the example. So in this class, I have discussed about the operators. So in this, we have used the for 5 operators in our Java program. So while we have to use these, we have to perform the arithmetic operations, some of the operations which are has to be included in the math. So we have to be described in this concept of hooks. So in this operators, first one is I have to use the arithmetic operators. So in this arithmetic operator, I have to use the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, modulo division. So these are all the basic arithmetic operations which we have to be included in our Java program. So this is the very simple one. So this is the addition. So already we know the addition of two numbers and the subtraction of two numbers and the multiplication. So we have to multiply the two numbers and the division. So and also the modulo division. So these are all the basic operations which are performed in our Java program with some basic symbols. So the next one is the unary operator. So in this unary operator, so we have used 4 different categories. So we have to give the negative value of the particular value. So the next one is the positive value. Then next we have to use the plus plus. So this will increment our value by 1. So if I give the value as 10, plus plus 10 means this will be considered as the value was 11. So this is considered as an incremented by 1. The next one is the negative. Minus minus means decrement by 1. So this is minus minus 9 means the value will be considered as an 8. So this will be calculated in this unary operator. The next one is the assignment operators. So in this assignment operator, we assign some values to the variables. So if I have to use the variable name. So variable name which will be considered to our the programmer knowledge. So I have considered the value of variable name is a, and I have to assign the value 10 in the particular value of a. So this is the variable name and this is the value of the particular variable name. So this is the assignment operators. So we have used equal to for the assignment operator. So these are all the basic 3 operators. First one is arithmetic operator and the second one is unary operator and the third one is assignment operators. That should be used the relational operators. So in this relational operator, we already know about the relation between the two variables. So I have to be used the greater than, less than. So this will be considered as a what are the greater value and what are the less than values and the equal to. So assigned values equal to the particular variable which have assigned them. So greater than or equal to means so greater than plus with the consideration of that particular value. So the less than or equal to. So these will be considered as a relational operators. Relational between the two variables considered with the symbols. The next one is logical operators. So in this logical operator, we have to use the logical performance. So if the same statements are true means the value will be true. So either AND operation or OR operation we have to be performed. So this is the logical operators. So the next one is the ternary operators. So in this ternary operators, I have to given the condition for the particular program. So if it is true, the value will be completed as a true statement. So either it will be declared as a false statement. So this is the ternary operators. So using these operators, I have to perform a simple program. So in this I have created class. So created class as operator. So in this I have to be using public static void main string args. So in this I have to be include the variables. So I have to be include into a equal to 10. So this is the variable name and this is the data type and the value for the particular variable. So this will be considered as a initialization. So and also I have to be include into b equal to 20. So the next into c equal to a plus b. So I have to be add the 2 values which I have to be declared. That is variable name a and b. So these values will be added and that will be stored in a variable name as c. So in the system.out.println, so the value is So the output will be a 30. So this will be considered for the operator. So in this class we have to be discussed about the operators, arithmetic operator, logical operator, ternary operators and the relational operators. So these all considered and will have to be used in our program.